friends too can draw a dragon.
Yeah, pineapple dragon. I want to show you a quick preview before we start. Our drawings turned out really cute, especially yours.
Yeah, that was really fun.
Yeah, it's really fun, and I hope you're excited to follow along with us. We're using our crayons to draw with. These are gel crayons, but you could use whatever you have, like regular crayons.
Or even oil pastels.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yeah.
We're first using our light brown crayon, and we're going to use this to draw our main shapes. First, let's draw our dragon's head, and we're going to draw a big oval shape. I'm going to draw it really big. That big.
Massive.
Yeah, massive.
Oh, too big.
No, it's not. Keep going. That's perfect. Okay. Now we're going to draw our little dragon's face. We're going to draw it right here. So kind of drawing an upside down letter U. And the top is going to be its pineapple hat. Okay, now let's draw the body. And we're going to draw a letter U going this way. Yes. And then we can draw the little hands. I'm going to draw one hand coming in and another hand or arm coming in the other way. Yes. And then we can draw our dragon sitting down. So let's draw a little leg line right here and a little leg line right here. Yeah, you could draw it coming down a little bit lower to the bottom. Yes. And then we're going to draw the foot sticking out and then curving back in. Curving out and back in. Yes, now we need to draw the tail. Let's draw it curving out to the side and then back down. Yes, now this next part, we're going to switch to our yellow crayon and we're going to color in our dragon, the whole thing, completely. This part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Next, let's switch to our orange crayon and we'll add the texture, our pineapple texture, to our pineapple hat. I'm going to draw diagonal lines. We'll leave a little space and then we don't want to go through the face. So I'm just going to draw the diagonal lines going across the hat part. And then you can also then draw the diagonal lines going this way to make kind of this checkered pattern on our dragon's head. This to make it look like a pineapple texture. Then we can also use this to draw a body, or the belly, I mean, on our dragon. So I'm going to draw another letter U that goes behind the arms. Then we can draw lines going across the belly this way. Next, let's switch to our light green and we'll draw leaves, the top pineapple leaves coming out of our dragon's head. So we're going to draw one coming up and back down. And then we can draw, go ahead, yes. And then we're going to draw one coming out this way and back in. And then let's color those in. Next, we can draw a pineapple leaf in the middle. And let's draw one coming out to the side too, this way, and one out this side. And then we can color those in too. Now let's draw our dragon's wings. First, let's draw a curve coming out of the side of our dragon's head on both sides. This is the top of the wing. Now we're going to draw the rest of the wing coming down. We're going to draw bumps coming into the shoulder. And we can draw little bumps coming into this shoulder too. Yeah, and then into the body. There you go. I like that you came down further. That's okay. And then you can also, maybe this one just comes into above the tail. Draw little bumps going into right there. Now let's color in the wings. Then we can also color in our dragon's tail, and I'm going to add little dragon spikes on the tail. So 3 spikes and then color those in too.
I can't really add my spikes.
Oh, that's okay. And then you probably can't add this either, but I'm going to add a little fire on the end of the tail, but you can leave that off since you kind of drew bigger wings. Also, what are we missing?
Funny face.
I'm gonna add 2 little nostrils. There you go, 2 little dots. And then we can also draw the smile. Oh, that looks like a funny face. That is the face. No, I'm gonna add bigger eyes. So you can add a smile. I'm gonna draw the circle and then I'm gonna color it in, but also leave a little highlight so the eyes look shiny. I'm gonna make the eyes just a little bigger too. Now, our friends, you guys could change your funny faces. You don't have to draw them the same. I'm coloring in the whole eye. I'm not gonna leave a little shiny. There we go, the whole thing. Oh, I really like the little smile that you did.
Thank you.
It's super cute. Okay, let's do one more thing with our black crayon, and we're going to trace over all of the first lines that we did. Let's do it in the same order that we first did it. So first, let's draw over the head. This is gonna make our drawing really stand out with the darker lines. But I like doing this at the end because our black crayon smears. So if we drew with our black crayon first, it would smear with the yellow when we colored it in, and it would just look brown. Okay, now let's draw the mask or the hat for our dragon. And we could also change the order. I'm gonna jump up here. Let's trace over each of the pineapple leaves. Then let's trace over the arms. I'm gonna do something a little tricky. I'm gonna trace over like this for the arm. So it looks a little different. Do you see how it looks more 3D this way?
Yes.
So you can leave a little space when you come around on that side. Yeah, and then do the same thing over here. Then we can also add 2 little finger lines for our dragon's hands. And then let's draw over the belly, curving around to the other arm. And then we can also trace over the feet and legs. And let's also add 2 little toe lines on the feet. Next, let's do the wings. We can trace over the top part first, and then we can draw the little bumps going down, and the same thing on this wing. And then next, let's trace over the tail. We're gonna go up and down, and then I have the extra details like the little spikes and also the little fire on the end of the tail. And we have our pink crayon. What do we need this for?
The cheeks.
Yeah, the really cute cheeks. And then the last thing, if you want, you could add extra things to your drawing. I'm going to use the dark green to add little texture lines in the pineapple leaves and also the dragon wings. Olivia, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little pineapple dragons, and they turned out perfect. I just want to squish yours.
I want to hug yours.
Thanks. Now you guys can pause the video and add even more things to your drawing, like a background.
Yeah, you could add a pineapple forest.
Oh yeah, lots of pineapples. Except pineapples grow out of the ground. We found out when we went to Hawaii.
Oh yeah.
I always thought they'd grow on a tree for some reason.
We hope you had fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.
Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing, and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.